is the butt crack of dawn. Got my lunch down there. Let me check and actually see what time it is. It's 5:43 right now. Today I'm driving up to Beartooth Pass. Up over the rickety old bridge. We are in prime Grizzly country. It's like where I come up sometimes and just look through my binoculars until I find a grizzly on the mountain. I just saw a grizzly bear on the side of the road. I'm gonna turn around, get my other camera out. He was literally just on this side of the road. So he's right behind this tree right here. I don't think you can see him through this camera. Hopefully he comes out from that tree. It'd be so fun to film him. Okay. So you can see him right next to the road. Big diesel engine just saw it and turned around. Listen to that. Can you hear that engine? Turn your effing engine off. Well, the dude finally left with his loud truck. Can you guys hear the buzz of the mosquitoes in the car? So close to the road that even with my GoPro, I can just film this grizzly bear. He doesn't like all these mosquitoes either. I guess we'll continue on our journey up to the Beartooth Pass. Goodbye, grizzly. That's Pilot's Peak right there. We're just gonna go right down here by the boat launch so I can show you guys the lake. Oh, sorry, there's a mosquito. Get the F out of here. So oddly enough, there's no mosquitoes here. So I was able to get out of the car. And right over there in that little meadow, there's a whole herd of elk. And you can hear them bugling every once in a while. The sun just doesn't quite want to come out. You hear that? I don't know if this camera can pick up that bugling. I'm zoomed in really far, and I don't have a tripod, but... Well, there we go. Now that is the sunrise. How's that? Oh, my shadow's right there. That's the problem with photography. Just trying to get the right angle without getting your shadow in it. We still haven't even made it up to the top of Beartooth Pass. There, that's the thumbnail. Ooh, I love how there's like light and then shadow and then light again. Makes for interesting texture. What a beautiful... Oh, I can't sing. Why do I even try? You know, I see this boat ramp thing. I've never seen boats on here. Interesting. Paddle out would be kind of fun. Another thumbnail. You could hear the elk for a second. 7 a.m. And I'm the only one here. My one goal for the day was to see mountain goats, but now I couldn't even care less. We've seen such a beautiful sunrise at this lake, and the grizzly bear. Wow, that was awesome. All right, we've reached the summit. Go, Marmot, go. You gonna go down your marmot hole? Ooh. Look at that. The bear's tooth is that little thing right there. And that's why these whole mountains are called Beartooths. Road closed ahead. Looks like we've come to the end of where you're able to drive along the Beartooth Pass from Cook City. 4 cones. That'll stop them. We got 4 cones here, people. Oh my gosh. It's a whole herd of mountain goats. I've never seen so many freaking goats. This guy's gonna come right over to us. He's going up to this guy's car. Oh, he's from Utah too. Alright, I'm gonna go to the other camera so I can get better shots. They're cantankerous, aren't they? Just wanna like be headbutting each other. You can see their fur is like everywhere. There's little pieces of it like all over the ground. There's parts of their fur up on this little piece of wood thing over here that goat's licking. Fur is so thick for the winter and now it's all coming off. Well, I'm out of the car. They're not running away. I'm gonna go hike over here and look at the ski lift. I hope you don't charge me. I'm just trying to walk up over here, okay? Thank you. Man, they are majestic looking. These mountains in the background. Here's the ski lift. I don't know when they operate this. How you'd even get up here in the wintertime. Maybe they only do it in the spring, maybe they only do it for special occasions. Babies are so young. That one still has like its umbilical cord. Don't even have words, just filming, having fun. And I'm the only one here. It's so crazy having like, this is a major pullout up on the Beartooth Pass, but there's just nobody here because the whole thing's closed off. Oh, that is cute. Check out this billy goat scratching it. He was scratching himself with these little tools out in this bucket. Get this fur off me. whipping around in the wind, just annoying the crap out of me. Well, I've stopped back at this place to have my second breakfast. I got myself a little yogurt here. Oh, it's dripping. And I've got a little apple fritter. So, very unhealthy breakfast, but what are you gonna do? I'm an unhealthy boy. You gotta be kidding me! Well, I can't even be mad. We've had an awesome morning. It's only 8:30 in the morning. We still have all day, and we've already seen grizzly bears, filmed mountain goats, had a beautiful sunrise at Beartooth Lake, had a nice breakfast here with this view. Got ice still down there in the lake. Oh look, they're running over the hill. Why are they running? I've never seen mountain goats run. They usually don't even care that people are around, and I'm like way far away. I wonder if they smell a bear or something. And then they go across the road. Or no. Ooh, up and over. The mom and the baby went underneath. Okay. Is he gonna make up his mind? Look at these mountains we got. Ooh, up and over.